You are watching Travel World Online.
Sonu Sood launches B2B travel tech platform Travel Union for rural entrepreneurs. Subhash, Goyal and Sandeep Marwah receives Buddha Peace Award 2021. 6 Indian airports will soon use facial recognition for boarding passengers. No proposal yet to restore concessions in ticket fares. Ashwini Vaishnaw. Buddha Peace Award 2021 is to identify, recognize, influence, innovate, inspire and celebrate the outstanding leadership and achievements in various fields. The awards was felicitated to Minister, MPs, and singer Kumar Sanu, Subhash Goyal, the author of Power Eradication and Economic Development Through Tourism, and Sandeep Marwah, the film producer, director, educator, journalist and businessman, Dr. Sunil Gaikwad, ex-member of Parliament Lok Sabha, and Mr. Robin Hibu, Special Police Commissioner, New Delhi, were also honoured for their contribution in their respective fields. When asked Mr. Goyal about this award, he said,
I was overrun when I got a call from the ambassador, Myanmar embassy, that I have been selected for Buddha Peace Award for 2021. So I asked them that what is the reason why I have been selected. They say you have played a very important role in promoting Buddhist tours from Sri Lanka to India. And when you were president of the tour operators, you had advocated for making Bodh Gaya an international airport. And you were there along with the then civil aviation minister at the inauguration of the airport. And you were responsible for bringing the first flight of Buddhist charter flight from Sri Lanka to Bodh Gaya. And you have always supported this. You have been a founder member of the YMBA, that is Young Men Buddhist Association. I was for some time vice president also. And also the fact that I am one of the founders of the Association of Buddhist Tour Operators. So I think if the jury has selected me, I'm really honored, and it has encouraged me to do more for promoting peace through Buddhism.
Because memories never fade, no matter how long. We'll still remember the moments of excitement and the impressions of Thailand. Amazing Thailand, now even more amazing.
Bollywood actor cum philanthropist Sonu Sood launched a business-to-business travel technology platform, Travel Union, for rural entrepreneurs.
ये मेरे ट्रैवल एजेंट भाइयों के लिए जो हम सबको रास्ता दिखाते हैं, लेकिन कैसे खुलेगा इनकी कामयाबी का रास्ता? कैसे मिलेगी आपको भी उड़ान? उड़ान? अरे मैं बताता हूं। ट्रैवल यूनियन ऐप का मेंबर बनकर एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म जहां पर होता है ट्रैवल बिजनेस से जुड़ा हर एक काम, कहीं भी कहीं से भी, रेल, बस, हवाई टिकट, होटल बुकिंग, सब कुछ चुटकियों में, सिर्फ इस एक ऐप से। और आप बन सकते हो एक बिजनेसमैन। और सोचो, यहां अपना ट्रैवल बिजनेस शुरू करने में कितनी इन्वेस्टमेंट लगती होगी? 0। और भैया अलग काम के लिए अलग ऐप वाला टेंशन वेंशन नहीं, और एक कस्टमर सपोर्ट जो 24 घंटे आपकी सेवा में यूं हाजिर। सिर्फ ट्रैवल यूनियन इज एनफ। और एक सबसे मजेदार बात बताएं, टिकट की बुकिंग कैंसिलेशन पर रिफंड तुरंत के तुरंत। जो फायदे यहाँ हैं वो कहीं नहीं। ढेर सारे बुकिंग ऑप्शंस, होटल्स और एयरलाइंस के साथ डायरेक्ट कनेक्शंस, ताकि आपको मिले कम रेट और अपनी मर्जी का मार्जिन। अब मैं भी कुछ बोलूं, एक ट्रैवल एजेंट और एक कामयाब ट्रैवल एजेंट में सिर्फ एक ही फर्क होता है, ट्रैवल यूनियन ऐप का। बनो ट्रैवल यूनियन नेटवर्क के मेंबर, फ्री ऐप डाउनलोड करो और खोलो नए रास्ते तरक्की के। ट्रैवल यूनियन, खुलेंगे नए रास्ते।
You are watching Travel World Online.